Okay, LPL, here goes our eating contest, our pie eating contest trial run. So the rules of the contest are, the first one to finish the complete pie is declared the winner. Hands-free eating is required. So on the blow of my whistle is when you will go. So 1, 2.
I'm gonna hold my mouth.
Oh wow.
I can hear my mouth.
So who, all right, looks like Brad's coming up on being the victor. Courtney is a close second.
Can't get the crap.
Mariah is calmly eating her pie. Come on, LPL. Oh, Bradley is close.
No.
Christina's coming up. Mariah's just
I'm chilling.
chilling, eating her pie.
Can't get the crap.
Come on, jump in there.
All right,
You should face sticky.
and
Jump in there.
I have to eat this through. I can't get to the center now.
Brad, one last little piece. And Bradley is the winner. Great job, LPL. Great job. Join us for our eating contest on Saturday, September 23rd at Founders Park.